Welcome everybody to Captain America Crypto, coming to you on a crypto that I think is going to be awesome. Another great crypto that I'm thinking that I do believe that's going to surpass the price of Bitcoin in the future. That token being Zcash. Zcash. Understand what I'm saying? Zcash. Awesome project. Just waiting for it to pull back to where to get in. I wanted to bring you this crypto here at Captain America Crypto. We're finding these precious gems that can make you very wealthy. Now, the price on this token is going to be more than what we've been bringing to you with Canton Network, XCN, and ZBAC. But the returns on this token in the future will be life changing. Just coming to you, going to tell you it's going to be life changing. Remember what I'm telling you. We're going to get over here on the charts. I want to show you a few things. Uh, right now, we got Zcash down 7.91%. She's dropping, and she's going to continue to drop. Bitcoin's pulling back. Uh, all the alts is pulling back. Zcash is in a bear flag, and it's fell into this um, downward trending slope of a flag I got here on the charts, sitting at $313. We're gonna get over here on the charts. I want to show you. We're gonna pull this down. She been back over here on January the 19th. We had a major drop. She came back up and hit the bottom of this trend line. Went to the top of this trend line. Came back down. Hit it. Picked up some support at this lower level. Went through. Went all the way up to $405 and came down, dropped below the trend line, retested it, and got rejected, and has been coming down. So we're looking to come down somewhere around $3, $305, maybe get a bounce. Uh, Somewhere up in this range right here between $300 and $305 and go back up and maybe retest the one right here at 320 and then continue further down, head it to the 2.618 right here at $278. Just wanting to bring this token to you. Very good. I looked it up just to give you some uh, knowledge on Zcash. I went to Grok and got some information. Zcash is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency designed to provide users with strong financial privacy while remaining decentralized and similar to Bitcoin in many ways. It functions as digital cash where you can choose how much privacy you want for each transaction. And this is two different transactions here that's offered on Zcash. You've got transparent transactions. These work like Bitcoin. Sender, receiver, and amount are publicly visible on the blockchain. This is the second type. The second transaction that it offers is shielded transactions. It's private. These hide the sender, receiver, and amount using advanced cryptography, specifically ZK slash snarks, zero knowledge. Right here, it's shielded. Nobody can see it. Only though the one that's sending and receiving is that, and that knows the amount, and it's publicized on the blockchain. It's not. You cannot find out the amount, who's sending it, and who's receiving it. Uh, and right here, it was launched in 2016. It was the first cryptocurrency to bring zero knowledge proof into practical use on a blockchain. And the key points about what Zcash does, it offers optional privacy. Unlike coins like Monero, where everything is always private, Zcash lets users or institutions decide whether they want to go public or private transaction. This makes it more flexible for compliance, audits, and selective disclosure when needed. Aims to protect economic freedom and personal finance and privacy. Your transactions stay under your control, not visible to banks, governments, advertisers, or chain analysis companies unless you choose transparency. Maintains a fixed supply cap of 21 million coins, same as Bitcoin. Listen, 21 million coins, same as Bitcoin. Uses a proof of work mining system, though with a different algorithm than Bitcoin's SHA-256. As of early 2026, Zcash remains one of the leading privacy coins, with growing interest in shielded usage and ongoing development focused on privacy infrastructure, better wallets, and performance improvements. In short, Zcash gives you Bitcoin-like digital money, but with the powerful option to make your payments truly private using cutting-edge zero-knowledge math. So there we bring to you what Zcash really does. Based on, it's like Bitcoin, uh, but it offers privacy uh, options. Um, and this project, call me crazy, but I believe in the future that Zcash is going to catch and pass Bitcoin in price. Uh, where is Bitcoin? I mean, where is Zcash going to find its bottom? As you can see right here, this is a bearish bearish flag right here on Zcash. Everything is aimed downward. So I've got a trend line down here, two of them. So we're not getting in on Zcash right now for it. The price it's sitting at. Zcash is going to pull back to a bear market low. Also with Bitcoin, Bitcoin's probably going to go somewhere. It could go around 60,000. It could go a little below 60,000, but I do believe Bitcoin's going to find its bottom around 65 to 70,000, which is another, probably another about 15,000 from where it's at right now. It could drop to 60 or below. We really don't know right yet, just looking at the fundamentals on it. But looking at Zcash, looking for her to drop down anywhere between $116 down to $78. We're as Zcash pulls back, we're gonna get in. We're gonna start getting in. Start somewhere around 116, 117, $120, and start dollar costing averaging in on the way down. If she continues to pull back around $78, do I see her dropping below $78? No, sir, I don't. Do see her coming back to 116, $120 in the bear market bottom. Then that's where we are going to start dollar costing averaging in. Because I see this token surpassing the price of Ethereum very easily in the next bull run cycle and beyond. You can see this token go from, it went to $700 this time, very good price from where it was at. Um, and this token is only going to get bigger. It's only going to go higher. This token, I do believe, will surpass the price of Bitcoin. Not saying that in a negative way, but at some point there's going to be a crypto out there that surpasses in the future. It's going to surpass the price of Bitcoin because Bitcoin is only could be basically digital gold. To use it, it takes too much time. The uh, for you to transfer funds compared to other assets that you have out there available, like Zcash, you got and there's another one that we cover here that's going to be uh, great in the future, and that's Canton Network. It's going to be the banker's chosen crypto for privacy. This is the best thing that you can really do right now is look into these privacy tokens. This ain't going to be just a narrative of this bull run. It's going to be what major banks, SWIFT, and all others that move large sums of money is going to choose the narrative. It's going to be privacy because when you're moving large sums of money, you want to limit to the amount of information on the internet because you just have people out there always trying to hack these systems. So the best way is privacy. There's no other way. Uh, There'll be some transactions that you can do and do safely that ain't privacy, but it's not when you get money moving every day, 24 hours a day across the internet, the web. This is a bad place to be with money, and there's always somebody out there trying to break into a system, but Zcash offers a privacy that is really good, and this is why we seeing these privacy tokens go up in value because it's the privacy narrative. And this token, I think it was 2016, 2018, it launched, uh, and now it's just getting this season, this bull run cycle. It really came to light. Now in the future, now I could see uh, this token in the next bull run really take off and get into the thousands, not the hundreds, the thousands in the next bull run cycle. Now I can't sit here and tell you that it's going to go to 10,000 or 50,000. Nobody knows that. If they're coming on the tube and telling you that this token is going to do this or that, uh, that some unrealistic numbers. We don't know that yet. Um, but right now, I do see Zcash pulling back to 120 to 80 bucks in the bear market bottom. It's been holding up pretty good, and now it's time for it to come down. Not being negative on the token, this is what the crypto market does. You have bull runs, and then you got bear markets. And this Bitcoin's been in a bear market since it topped out at 126,000. It's been going back into a bear market. And now Zcash has been holding up really good. People have made good profits on it from where if they bought in before the cycle began, prior of the election, when Trump got elected, going into the election, people made good profits. Now, we here at Captain America want to help you make those profits again to create a bigger bag. We want you to make so much you can't hold the bag up. You're gonna have to borrow. You're gonna have to go rent a ton truck to move your money around. So this is what we want to help you with. There's a lot of potential to making this market, but you need to be listening to the right ones. And I've learned that. Many people commented months ago, I didn't know what I was talking about, bear market this, and now they're looking like, man, he was right. He was right. Everybody hollering bull market. And I'm sitting there saying, no. When I come to realization, I said, we're in a bear market. And we have been. So now I'm coming to you. Now you're going to see uh, Zcash proceed down. It's been proceeding down. It went all the way to $700, people. It went all the way up to $700 up here. Way back over here, 739, 740 back on November the 7th, 2025. She came back down. She retested that level again and got rejected. And she's been coming back down ever since she retested over here on November the 16th. We've been in a bear market on Zcash. Any content creator out there telling you that it's going to be any different, that Zcash is going to pass our all-time highs and that we in a bull run, that it's going to be next month or the second quarter, the end of this quarter, turn it off. Turn it off. Here with Captain in America, we coming to you, being straight up transparent with you and telling you. May not tell you everything that you want to hear every time, but we are here to be honest and transparent with you on this crypto market. Right now, we are headed down, and we're here to tell you that at around somewhere about $120, we're going to start getting in on Zcash because this is a crypto that's going to be worth thousands in the near future. Um, Not down in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to always be Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's going to be. Now it's going to be a while. I'm not saying that the next bull run that this Zcash is going to pass the price of Bitcoin. No, not saying that. Just coming to you to let you know that Zcash is going to be worth thousands in the next bull run. This token is going to really take off in the next cycle. With the Clarity Act and everything coming in, this token is going to really outperform the markets. And there's other privacy tokens that's going to really do good. We're going to start covering them. We're going to tell you where the bottom's at. We're going to tell you where we're going to start getting in at. Okay. And that advice will be left up to you, whether you want to do that or not. Totally left up to you. But those that subscribe and want to make money, want to be profit in this market, don't want to fall for the FOMO no more, want to trust somebody that's really honest and transparent with you, hit that subscribe button. Join this community at Captain America Crypto. Um, America's going to be the crypto capital of the world. Uh, and when this is adopted in the United States, these tokens we're giving you are they're going to go through the roof. There's going to be so much potential in the next. Everybody thought it was going to be this bull run. It's not this bull run. It's the next one. When everything is when you see in digital currency used within the United States, these tokens, these projects, these privacy tokens are going to go on a rampage and going to really outperform all other cryptos in this space. Just coming to you with a straight up narrative. So we're going to end it right here, but right now you can look for Zcash to come down to the 1.618. We feel like she's going to come there, maybe drop just slightly below this trend line a little bit, go back up, get a bounce right here. Maybe work her way back up somewhere around 313 to 315. She could try to get above this one right here, 320, but she's going to continue working her way down. And right here around the 2.618, we could get another major spike down. Just coming to you, it's going to be decision time. Uh, and we could see a major spike down in this market again with Zcash. But we could break out above this top trend line, consolidate a little bit, and then see if we can move up. If we can't, we're going down. We're going to be headed to $278. And then we can give you an update from there. We'll keep coming back. We'll keep updating you on Zcash. But right now, I would not be buying in on Zcash because it's coming down further. Don't lose your profits right now. Don't buy in and lose your profits. Wait till we give that signal and start buying in then. Just want to come and build this community to help one another to make wealthy people millionaires, want to give those that's lost out opportunity after opportunity. Because I know how it is when you just want to be able to write a book on your life and where you went from maybe not so wealthy to wealthy, or went from poor to wealthy in this crypto market. And this next cycle going up for Bitcoin after it bottoms out, this is where it's going to all take place with everything. You're going to see cryptos, the XRP. I'm not downing it, but it's going to do really good. It's going to do really good in the next bull run cycle. Zcash is going to do really good in the next bull run cycle. You got 3 to 4 more years to do this, and hey, you might not can't come on here and buy a whole 4, 5, or 10 Zcash. If you can't, hey, put 20 on it, put 100 on it. Every once in a while, when you got it, some extra cash, put it on Zcash. And there's other cryptos you can buy that's going to be very, very valuable in the near future. We cover them here at Captain America Crypto. But let's get in on the front side, in the beginning, on the front of this privacy narrative. Get in on these privacy tokens. This is where it's going to happen. Just wanting to come and just give you straight up honest truth. Listen to us, and I promise you, you'll make more money than you ever thought you could. So we're going to end it right there. God bless you. Until we see you on the next one, we out of here.